Okay guys, just open your settings application, then select connected devices, then select Samsung DeX. Then you can see here there is a auto start when HDMI is connected is turned on. You can just click here to turn off. Whenever you connect any HDMI for stream rendering, then it is automatically turned on the desk mode. So if you are connecting somewhere it's like a projector or a Android TV, you can simply turn off this feature from exiting the Samsung desk. Otherwise you must turn off manually each time. So this feature is useful whenever you are daily using your Samsung desk. So Samsung mobile as your desk computer, so it is very useful. But whenever we are connecting devices like Android TV or any projector, these settings automatically turn on the Samsung DeX feature. So you must turn off this feature if you are connecting often the screen mirroring. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.